pretty tight quarters, but I'll try to show you what I've got going on here. This is the first test fit of this cab corner. We have some overlap here right now, but we won't once we cut the old one off in an appropriate spot. So otherwise, it is fitting good, as good as a guy could expect. Pretty close. We did this inner rocker. It had a whole bunch of rot. I cut out the worst of it. Turned out to be 3 really nasty spots, but the whole thing was compromised in between the spot welds, all along the edge. It was swollen from the corrosion between the 2 layers. So we had cut that out. I made this patch so it's all plug welded along the bottom, and I have half an inch of an overlap here of the original inner rocker, and so I just did some spot welds along that top. Once we clean up the welds here, we'll just seam seal that edge. It is nice and tight, and it should give us some of the strength back. Should look good, and get the job done for a reasonable amount of time, energy, and money, considering the age of this truck. This cab corner will be welded, plug welded along the bottom side, this back side, and then we are most likely to have some sort of a butt weld that will run along here. I had cleaned up a section here that had some surface rust right here. I don't know if we can see it, but this is pitted and compromised through. A few of these sections at the back, same thing. Tried to clean them up, but the metal is pitted all the way through. And so we can't have that, can we?